What up, fam? We are over at Papa Bone's house for a little bit of Sunday fun day because we just received our first motorcycle part that's going to go on this build from our friends over at Klock Werks, and we are so excited to get this started. Hazel, Radley, Kennedy, are you guys excited to build this motorcycle or what?
Yeah.
You want to go put these parts on?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna drive that. Okay, there.
You're going to drive the scooter there? All right. Boo, you ready? Let's go. Motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
Yeah, motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Are you going to put that part on the bike?
Hazel.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Hazel
That'll be
bike.
fun, huh?
Hazel bike.
Hazel's bike?
Yeah.
It's going to go on this bike. The
Hazel
purple one.
bike. The purple.
Here, I gotta be able to see. Come here. What we got? Say Klock Werks. Klock Werks. Let's see. You ready? Let's see what we got.
It's a big piece.
Oh. Could it be a windshield?
Only
No.
Dad, it's a windshield.
Is it?
Windshield. It's a windshield. It's a windshield. There's one in there.
Yep.
I can do it.
You hold this.
Yes. I know how to open it. There's, look, Dad.
I know.
You just pull that. Okay, ready? I'll hold it.
You got it? Can you pull?
It is actually.
It is what? Hold on.
It's a windshield. Like a windshield, like that.
Let's see.
Open it up.
Here, Radley, you hold that.
It's a windshield. I know it is.
Is that what
Hazel,
it
you're
is?
pulling it. Look.
Is that a windshield?
Yeah. See?
Look.
It's a beautiful purple one.
Oh, what color is that?
Purple.
Purple.
See? Right there.
Goes with the Mystic Shift. It can be purple.
Take this off.
It can be blue.
It could be green.
No, well, no, I hadn't seen any green. Has it still got tape on it?
Yes.
Here.
That's one. Then.
There. It's open on this end. Be careful. Don't drop it.
That's good. Here's my baby. The baby car. I call it a baby.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
That's mine.
We'll leave this just like this. Okay.
Okay.
We got to take the old one off.
I'm going
And we'll just do this.
to.
So that way we don't scratch anything. Okay.
Beautiful. You want me to hold it?
No. Papa's gonna set it right over here. Dad's gonna almost drop it.
Who's the dad?
I'm Dad to you. Papa to them. Don't take it off. Here, we're gonna set it right over here so that it doesn't get scratched.
Well, let's see if it gets scratched. It's
Can-
not going to be
You just
happy.
leave that there, and we'll get some tools here.
Are we going to help?
Oh, of course.
I want to do that one.
Can you?
Yeah.
You have to be extra careful.
I got it.
I'll start it. Don't hit the bike with it, okay? Come over here.
What if I want to do it?
Well, we're gonna do it. Here, watch.
What if I hit that?
Try not to. Because really, you almost need something to stand on, Hazel. Here, let Papa get the bucket.
I can't do it. See?
Well, because you changed directions on it. It goes that way. Be careful. Here, let's just stand you up. Okay, you do one, whichever one. Be careful.
You get in the chair, dude? You gonna bring it over here?
You have to go the other way.
This way?
Yep, have to go that way.
Mine
Here,
is
watch.
mine is on the
So
side.
now you can take this off and you can act like it's a screwdriver. You can just do this.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay? Now keep going.
This way?
Other way,
Yep.
Kennedy. Yep.
You have to go this way. This way.
But you gotta spin.
Quit changing
if you
the
want it like
ratchet.
this,
You did.
if you
Other
want
way.
it like
It doesn't.
this, Kennedy,
You want it to not
you
click.
want it
There
like
you go.
Cool.
Yep. Good job.
Go that way.
Almost.
You getting it, Hazel?
Almost. Oh,
I dropped one.
no, that was the. You have to be careful. Okay.
Ah. Now that one.
Yep, now that one. It might be a little tight. Here.
Yeah.
You want to put that back on there?
You do.
Mash the button. There you go.
Yes. This is good now. It's supposed to. Because I don't want to do really hard.
That's why we're learning how to do it, huh?
Okay. There you go. Should be able to do it out by hand.
It's okay if you don't know how.
Yeah. Wrong way. Kennedy. Other way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you have to go to the left to take it out.
To this side.
And then when we put it back, you'll go right to put them in. Okay, good job.
Done.
Well, we gotta wait on Hazel here. Oh,
Boo's over here like, give me a turn, bro.
got it?
I did it. Don't touch this or it's gonna.
Okay.
Okay. Now this part.
Nope. What we do with this?
Do you wanna carry it, Boo? I love that shield. Me too. No, but will it turn a little black like that one?
No, it'll be purple. Okay, so we're gonna set it right here.
Is it
Gotta
cute?
get it in the grooves.
Why do we have to have shields?
Huh?
So if dirt comes toward us, it will hit that?
It keeps stuff out of your eyes.
Yeah.
Because you don't want stuff in your eyes.
Yeah. I don't want sun in my eye.
Well, you can't really stop the sun. Sun's always going to be there. But you want to stop the dirt. Because if the dirt gets in your eyes, it hurts.
And the wind, because it's
And
designed
the
to
wind
flip up.
dries your eyes out.
And then you can't see.
Well, it could be where you couldn't see.
And then you'll be blind.
Papa took a rock to the eye.
And then he couldn't see maybe? Did you? Rubber boots.
Look at there, Hazel. You do need the instructions out of the box, don't you?
Yeah.
What does it say? Can you read it? No.
I know. I can read it.
Well, it says,
I know.
remove the 4 factory bolts.
Remove the.
They will
four-
not be reused.
They will not be reused.
Okay, and then you have to place the Klock Werks windshield in the lower mounting blocks, which we did.
And then a 6. And then okay.
Mounts left and right are noted on each mounting block.
And they have to clean it.
Small piece of painter's tape at the rear may help hold them in place.
That is not the same one.
Well, you have to wait. So they have two different mounts. So I don't know what the two mounts are. Let's see. So, lay back onto the mounting blocks.
Yeah.
So
this
maybe.
is where you clean it.
Oh, you have to put one inside and one outside.
Can I clean this side and you go clean that side?
I think Radley wants a turn.
Here. Yep, Radley didn't get to take any out, so he gets to put some in.
I don't want him this
Well, you can share.
well, and they can share.
But all of you could share. Sharing's caring.
This
Right?
is a
I
right.
share my toy.
This is a. Can you see what letter that is? Look right here. What letter is that? Do you know?
You see? Yeah. This is the O. There is the O. It's a L. L. The L.
So do you know what L stands for?
Yes.
What?
It could be lemon.
Stands for left.
Left. Not right. So
Or
this is
stands for right.
left. This is right. Right?
This is the right one, boo.
This. Hey, I got the same thing. I got the same thing as you. This thing. I can put the screws in there.
Oh, okay. I bet.
Yeah.
You know what?
Don't.
Because they have to go inside.
That's why we read the instructions.
That's why you need the instructions first.
See, told you, Dad.
So this one goes in the left. Huh?
That's left. This is right. I knew it.
Well, maybe. Let's see. I don't know. We got to figure it out.
I know. That's left.
Is that, what does that say?
Left.
Well, that says right. So it goes there.
Yes. And then I want to go to that
And then this one goes right there.
one.
Here, can Papa hold that?
Yep.
Thank you. Turn it over. Turn it around. There you go. Is it going to stay?
I think it
Okay, be careful. Now, we can put this in place. Oh,
Oh my God.
did it stay?
Yep.
No. That's why they said. Here. That's why they said put some tape on it so it'll stay.
Where's tape? Where's that tape? Can I
The
throw
tape is
tape?
right here.
I got that tape.
What you got, Radley?
It's in my closet.
Why have you got tape in your closet?
And no, with the
Here,
colors.
watch. So we're going to take this little piece of tape
Can I do it?
and you want to stick it
Yep.
right here. You can't put it under where the windshield's going.
Can I put mine on here?
Where's it? Radley's got the other one.
Okay,
Radley's coming over here. He's gonna,
Come on.
let him try to do
Come
it.
here, Radley. You're too far behind.
Can I put the tape on?
Here. Come here.
Can I put that tape on? You can't
Okay.
because Kenny.
Can you put this?
Because Ken didn't do it. Because
Put
Riley
it right
did
here.
it.
Oh.
Did we crack it?
Good job, buddy.
Got it? Here. And then this goes right here. Can you put that on there? Push it down.
Bless you.
There you go. Okay.
Like,
You got it? Is it going to stay there?
I think it will.
You think it will?
Not because.
Uh-oh. What, bud?
God,
Harley-Davidson?
right there.
Right
there.
where? Show me.
That's the emblem.
What are you talking about?
Harley-Davidson bat.
The logo?
No.
The barn shield right there, boo?
It's like no.
Right there?
So we want to just fold it up so that way we don't scratch anything.
This, and then when we're done,
And then
we fold
this is the left. So it goes over the hole. See the hole? And then,
Can I do the right? No.
is it, well, I have to see the hole. Well, once we get it, can you start that one in the back? Let's see, is it, no, right here.
Then,
Here, let Papa help.
is it this way?
You need to start it.
Okay.
What did I say?
Oh.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That means you have to go to the right to tighten it.
Is this how we do it, Papa?
Yep.
Keep going that way. Yep. That's right.
And I would even do this probably, Kennedy. Let's do this. And you run them down by hand. Is it started?
That's what Hazel's doing. Do this side now. Yep. Good job.
Is it in there?
There you go.
I get it.
Okay, now get this one.
I'm white. You need it really
You have
tight.
to go that way.
This way?
Yep, that's right.
I did it really tight. You have to tie it with.
What are you doing, Radley?
Really?
Okay, are you ready to tighten?
Not here.
Here.
Can your brother have a turn?
No.
What do you mean no? He
Can
wants a
Radley
turn.
help me tighten those?
it's
He's over there trying.
It's already
Here.
done. It's already done. Got it.
Look at him. Ha!
What are you doing?
See you.
Can you just a little bit? You don't want to over tighten it.
This way?
Yep.
There.
Can Radley try these, Hazel?
Hazel, Radley, try this side.
I already tied it. I get it a
Well,
little
can
bit.
he try?
I know it's done.
Ready? Go this way.
I thought it was done. Can I do it? Mine is already done.
Oh, you got to go that way.
Is your Ellen done?
Okay, now come back.
They're both done.
Okay, now do it again.
Don't say I can't do it. How
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Now let's go to this one. Nope, got to go this way.
Good job.
Okay, come back. Go this way.
Moto, photo, Harley. I said moto, photo, Harley.
Hey, give me nuts. Good job. Here. Let Papa do a little check here. Let's make sure we're tight. You almost had it.
Now, can I do it? Now, can I do it?
I think Papa's checking to make sure it's all tight.
Yep. Make sure we don't lose it going down the road. Okay. Can I have that? You want to take this off?
Yes, I want to too.
Oh, be careful.
Don't you mind it.
There you go.
Yeah, it's done. Look at it.
How
We had-
cool is that?
We had to clean it, remember?
Yeah, we probably need a rag. don't we?
I do this side, you do that side, okay? That's your share, remember?
You wiping it off, cleaning it off?
Yep. Good job, Hazel. Oh, remember to clean that thing.
It's Klock Werks.
That's the Klock Werks shield. That's how you know it's a Klock Werks.
My turn.
Here you go, boo. Have at her.
Are you ready to go outside? I'm gonna do this clocker. Somebody's pushing me, I think. Thank you, Klock Werks, for the purple windshield. See you on our next YouTube video. Bye. See you. Bye.